Welcome. If you're looking to remove a group admin on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Instagram's latest update has made managing group chats even easier, and today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove an admin from your group directly on the Instagram app for desktop. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that has admin privileges in the group you want to manage. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand menu and find the messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane. Click on it to open your direct messages. Next, scroll through your chats and select the group where you want to remove an admin. Once you're inside the group chat, look for the small info icon at the top right corner of the chat window. Clicking this icon will open up all the group details, including the list of members and admins. Now, scroll down until you see the list of group members. Admins will usually have a small badge or label next to their names. Find the admin you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots to open a small menu with more options. From the menu, select Remove as Admin. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, that person will no longer have admin privileges in the group. They'll still be a member of the group, but they won't be able to manage group settings or add new admins. And that's it. You've successfully removed a group admin on Instagram using your PC. This new update makes group management straightforward and gives you more control over your chats. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.